mile.
3/4.
And it is straight uphill?
Yeah, and now it is snowing like crazy. It's it all.
I did not expect this now. No. We're almost there, we're halfway.
Not close enough.
Hey guys, I got a dink hole.
Oh boy.
It's so cold!
Warm in here. Alright, where are we now?
Scenic hot springs.
Yeah.
Pool 2, the only hot pool. This one's medium temperature. That one's freezing. We buy these white Oreos.
They're better than the other one.
We made it to Lake Wenatchee. What is this lake called? Wenatchee. Made a little stop over and I'm gonna shoot the best blanket ever. Where are we? McDonald's parking lot and some free Wi-Fi. We are on our way to Chick-fil-A, my favorite. I would drive to Seattle just for Chick-fil-A. Oh, I'm excited. We are feeling pretty gross as that hot spring was not the cleanest. I have yet to have a shower. These guys, all these guys, worth the drive all the way to state.
Okay, whatever you say.
No, you'll see. Scale 1 to 10, how amazing were those fries?
Well, yeah, give it a 9.
Hey, that's pretty good. Thank you, Chick-fil-A, for being amazing. Still my favorite. Note to anyone driving or road tripping, don't bring bananas on road trips. They just turn brown. Yeah, go. Hut. Nicely done. 2, 3. Ah! Alright, game plan. Find a laundromat, dry our towels and clothes. 2, grocery store, snack fruities and monsters for the morning. 3, find a place to either car camp or last minute hotel. I don't know, we'll see. Laundromat, check.
Snacks done.
Almost 1 o'clock.
Past 1.
It's past 1 o'clock. Pulled over at a fire station. Sleep here for tonight. Any last words?
Hopefully we don't run out of water because Jill didn't want it.
We'll go to Timmy's and refill it.
There's no Timmy's.
Oh no, we're doomed. Anyhow, we're going to bed. 6 a.m. wake up. Bye.
It is morning time and we are on our way to Baker Hot Springs. Probably about an hour left. Got Sleepyhead in the back still.
The amount of dirt that is on my arm right now, it's not okay.
Oh my god, you're covered.
This is nasty.
And off she goes.
Ow, my hip! Ow! Just left the hot springs, got some really great shots, and they were so much warmer than the scenic ones.
Inside and out. Got some rain, got some fog,
Got some
got
sunshine.
a lot of sun.
And now the worst part of each road trip, the drive home.
Ooh.
Camera's gonna die, so this is probably the end of the vlog. See you guys soon. Bye! I don't know how to end this. Best ugly face, ready?